Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we'll show you on Auto Repair, guys, how to fix a code that says left hand side seatbelt pretensioner open or right hand side seatbelt pretensioner open. We're working on that Land Rover, but procedure will be similar for many vehicles, guys. Stay with us. I'm gonna walk you through that stuff. Quick video how to fix that, what is causing that problem. So let me just get inside quick. Okay, I'm going to turn the scanner on. Okay, you can see airbag light is on. Okay, so we have the computer here now. Okay, and we're going to connect to the airbag module. It's gonna take a couple seconds and we're going to read the code, guys. I want to show you what's wrong with it. Quick, okay, read codes. And this is it right here. Open circuit. You can see fault in left hand side pretensioner. So there is a couple possibilities for that thing. First of all, you will need to turn the ignition off. You will need to go ahead and disconnect the battery for at least 1 hour before proceeding, and I'll show you what else we need to do. So guys, we took the seat off now. And the cable for the pretensioner, okay, the pretensioner itself, I forgot to mention, is this thing right there. So the cable, okay, usually it's a yellow one, it could be different one, it's this one right here. Sometimes you have a loose connection here, sometimes you have bad wires for moving the seat forward and backward all the time, especially if you move it all the time. So now that's the wire for the pretensioner. So what we're going to do, actually, we'll take the seat out, stay with us, and we'll replace it with a used one and see if that fixes our problem. So usually you can find a bolt there. Some vehicles might differ, but the concept is about the same. Okay, so we'll remove the bolt like that, it slides out, okay, and we'll pull it out now. Alright guys, we're getting it out now. You have to feed the wires through the same place that you remove them, don't forget that. Okay, that's the old pretensioner. Let's go get the new one, put it together and see what happens next. A video, guys, how to actually test the pretensioner, if it's good or not. Check it out, it's on our website. I think we demonstrated on a Ford Escape, but again, many vehicles will be very similar procedure with a multimeter, so you'll probably be able to find it on our YouTube channel. Alright guys, this is the pretensioner here, the old one. We installed a new one now. Okay, let's go ahead, actually. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle now. I haven't even cleared the codes yet. Okay, no airbag light. You see SRS should go away. Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do quick, I'm gonna go ahead and erase the codes. Okay, let me turn the light off. And after we erase the codes, we'll check again, because even if you don't erase them, the light will go off, but you have the code stored in the memory of the airbag module. Okay, so now let's see if we have that code present. No codes, guys. That fixed our problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, guys, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.